Some high water there. There's some water. Oh! Okay, this is flooded. This is the first flooded street.
Okay, it's definitely high, but it's not really over the banks yet.
Yeah, it's getting close.
I want to go down and cross over the bridge by Bears, see what it looks like down there.
See. Check that out. Wow. Ooh, babe, look at that. Look, stop. It's a waterfall right there. It's a waterfall. Wow. This is fun. Oh, there's a bunch of trash in the road. Are those rocks? Oh, there's like a bunch of stones and stuff.
Oh, wow.
That's some muddy water there. I'm used to flood waters not being this dirty. You think that creek is going to overflow? If it keeps going on for an hour. I feel like it probably...
Yeah, it's going to jump the banks in the next hour.
There it is there.
I wonder what the waterfall looks like on this side.
Wow, that looks pretty full there. Wow.
That's too deep for a car. It's way deeper than it was the first time we went through.
Well, you can't see the
yeah.
paint lines in the middle. It's probably too deep. Oh, wow. Wow. We got a waterfall right there on the road.